Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Alright guys, today I want to show you a system, a software that will allow you to make $200 commissions over and over and over, sharing a phone number. Very simple system, automated. You get paid any way you want. I want you to check out this short video and I'll be right back with you. The link is also in the description, www.mobilemarketing.ws. But hang on with me and I'll be right back.
Have you seen this sign recently? Millions of people are finding alternative ways to make the money they need without having a typical 9-to-5 job, and thus have truly set themselves free. Isn't it time you did as well? Did you know that anesthesiologists and surgeons are the highest paying professions in America, coming in with an annual salary of around $265,000? Did you also know that less than 0.02% of the U.S. population actually holds these job titles? Well, that's because it's really hard, and it takes a ton of time and commitment to make it happen, doesn't it? But what if you could make that kind of money and more, and you didn't have to spend 4 years in college getting a degree and hundreds of thousands of dollars in the process, and all you needed to do was invite people to text or call a phone number every day? That's it. You share a phone number, and our AI text messaging success coach takes over from there. It uses text messaging to make sales on your behalf of our powerful products. And when it does, you get paid $200. Here's how it works. You're going to pay a $200 one-time fee to the reseller who invited you here in order to gain access to our product suite. I'll tell you more about our product suite in just a minute. You'll then pay a $50 one-time setup fee to mysoftwarebusiness.com. Yep, just $250 one time is all it costs to be in business with us. Our system will then automatically assign you a unique 10-digit phone number. You will then simply share this phone number with others looking to make money too. Now the best part is, you can set yourself up to get paid however you choose, whether that be Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, credit card, or even Bitcoin. Let's talk about our valuable and powerful product suite. With mysoftwarebusiness.com, you'll not only get paid 100% commissions as you simply share our software with others, but you'll be able to access and use any and all of the software in our extremely valuable marketplace. What does that mean? It means we have created an Amazon-like hub for software that you can then use and get paid from selling. You can read down the page to learn all about our product suite and the type of software that you're going to be given access to, but you just need to know that you are going to be getting access to multiple powerful software platforms that are all created to help you generate more leads and make more sales online. Our marketplace of software products is constantly expanding, so again, be sure to check out all the details here on this page so you know exactly what you'll be getting and how it all works. As you can clearly see, we have completely eliminated all of the normal stresses, expenses, and obstacles to creating and launching your own software business, and positioned you to still make 100% of the money as you share our valuable products with others. Now check this out. A simple Google search will reveal that depending on how many people live in your household, the average American needs to earn between $3,000 and $7,000 every single month just to survive. Now for all of you aggressive entrepreneurs, let's look at the math, which cannot lie. Just 10 quick sales of our product suite would pay you a whopping $2,000. Now, how would that change your life right now? Want to make even more than that? Let's keep doing the math. 25 sales equals $5,000. But don't stop there. If you can make 25 sales, you can certainly make 100. And when you do, you've now earned $20,000. 1,000 sales equals $200,000, and 5,000 sales equals, are you ready for this? $1 million. Now, if it only took you, say, 6 months to a year to get 1,000 to 5,000 sales of our product, would it be worth it to you to learn how to do that and to take the steps necessary to position yourself to make it happen? But let me tell you this, if you truly want to change your life and maybe even quit your job and really set yourself free, all you would need to do is make just one sale of our product suite every single day, which would pay you around $6,000 per month. Just one sale of our product suite every single day, and you're making more than enough to survive and perhaps for the first time ever in your life, actually thrive. Now, you might say, one sale a day is a lot. How in the world am I going to do that? To which we reply, there are 7.7 billion people on this earth. We'll show you everything you need to know to get at least one of them every day to buy our powerful product suite. And remember, our AI success coach will do all of the telling and selling for you. And hey, not only are you going to get access to our O.P.P marketplace, but we want to make sure that we set you up for success. That's why we're going to give you access to our O.P.P training system and community as well. This is where you will learn everything there is to learn to not only make at least one sale a day of our product suite, but how to tap into the completely paradigm shifting world of affiliate marketing, where you can earn even more monthly residual income as you learn to sell other people's products on the internet for huge commissions. Now, if you're still feeling like you can't do this, or you're still feeling like maybe this is just too good to be true, let me ask you a simple question. Do you know at least 3 people right now who would be open to and interested in our products and opportunity? Of course you do. And right there is where you start. And if you still don't think you know at least 3 people, we're going to show you how to tap into the power of the internet to find at least 3 people that would love to start their own software business with you. Now think about the people you surround yourself with every single day. Maybe they are sick and tired of the 9-to-5 grind too. Maybe they are wanting a side hustle just like you. Or maybe they're wanting more freedom in their life also. Whatever the case may be, mysoftwarebusiness.com is their solution just as much as it is yours. Now, look forward and reason backward. If you can make 3 sales, you can make 5. And if you can make 5, you can make 10. You are your only limit. Your income and your potential is only limited by your belief of what's possible. The truth is, even if you don't have use for the multiple softwares we're going to give you access to, you could resell them to others in the biz op and network marketing and internet marketing world who really will see value in our product suite. And when that happens, you make $200 every single time. Now, for those of you who don't necessarily go out there and be glorified salespeople on the internet, we have added an element of leverage to our powerful compensation plan, where everyone passes up their second sale to their reseller. This creates a never-ending stream of $200 payments, whether you're the one making the sale or not. And that's just one of the powerful elements that make this opportunity a complete no-brainer. We wanted to create a system that encourages community wealth building. And what better way to do that than to have everyone pay it forward by giving their second sale to their reseller. Now, we're going to go over this part of our compensation plan in more detail on the inside once you get started. Just know that it's incredibly simple, but very powerful. We invite you to come learn all about how this is completely different and how it can truly set you free. So I ask you, do you want to continue just making money, or are you ready for financial freedom? We can help you with both, no matter where you are and where you want to go. Click the button you see here on this page to join today and let the power of technology finally set you free with mysoftwarebusiness.com.
Okay, is that cool or what, guys? $200 a pop. It's only $250 to get started today. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is show you those softwares, and then I'll take you in the back office. You can test this out yourself by calling my number here, 239-579-3543. Check it out for yourself. But let me show you the softwares that he mentioned that you'll be getting. That's included, okay? In that $250 that you're going to pay, these softwares are included. Check this out. Okay, these 12 softwares you're going to get are automation suite, okay? Look at these softwares, okay? Let me just read one just so you can get an idea. This particular software is called Post Filter. Declutter your Facebook feed, hide ads, only show posts you want to see, and get your time back on Facebook. Okay, so there's numerous benefits to these. Okay, even if you're not interested, someone else may be interested, and when they join you and they see these, they may want to purchase these as well. Okay, and it could be it would be a person that's not already in the program. Okay, all right, so that's how that would work. But these are some great softwares. You can check it out once you go ahead and opt into the page. Go to www.mobilemarketing.ws, or just call that number on the screen. I'll put it back up in a second. But look at all these softwares. Okay, it's a lot of other benefits to being a reseller of this program. This is an additional partnership that they have, and you'll see all this when you get into the back office. All right, and let me show you that real quick as well. With this, you get paid any way you want. All right, so let me show you that in the back office. So hang on one second. Okay, let me move this over. So let me show you. This is your dashboard area. All right, let me show you right here. This is where you would set up your payment methods. So you click here, click profile. Okay, let me move this over, and right here, guys, payment methods. How do you want to receive your payments? PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, Google Pay, Apple Cash, Bitcoin. Hello, somebody. I can put my Bitcoin info right there now. Zelle. You can accept credit cards, guys. This is powerful. $200 over and over and over, simply sharing a phone number. Now, right here in the back office, as it shows you Marketplace, if you click there, you can see what's in that area. And when someone joins you and they go in their back office, they can see what you're linked to. Okay, you put your links in there. Like I have, one of my products is Unlock Elevation. And of course, they would see TextBot. Okay. So that's awesome. I'm already a reseller of TextBot. If you're a reseller of Yes Machine, Savings Highway, or Simple Freedom Club, you just plug in your links in here, and when your folks sign up with my software business and they go in their back office and see the marketplace and they click the link, whatever you're associated with, that's going to be coded to you. Okay, and if they purchase any of these, you get paid for those as well, guys. So it's a great tool to have in your arsenal. All right, and if you click here, resellers, you'll see any pending payments you may have. You'll want to go there, click there, and you want to mark the person paid once you receive your payment from them. And then, of course, you can track your commissions here, your team, and all your leads. Everyone that calls your phone number, their number will be in here. Okay, so definitely check this out. Get started. If you have any questions, give me a call. But let me put my number back on the screen because I want you to actually demo the software and see how it actually works. Okay. Okay, right here, go ahead and dial my number from your cell phone, 239-579-3543. Demo it. Check it out. I'll be providing you some ads too for folks that want to promote this using ads. I've got some great ad copies, and of course I've got some traffic sources you can use. Okay, and let me show you the capture page system I'm using for this. Okay, right here is going to be my capture page. Go through this funnel. You'll see how it's all set up. Okay, www.mobilemarketing.ws. All right, and this way you have an email follow-up series that's going to follow up with all your prospects on your behalf. Okay guys, so thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, you guys be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.